Good morning.
Tiny is first to arrive on the overnight camera. She's actually there for quite a while eating. And she's come back again. This is one of the twins, but from this angle I have no idea who. And then Jimmy comes over. Pip then arrives. He also is there for quite some time eating. Jimmy then comes back again. And Daphne shows her face, nervy as ever. This is one of the twins, which one I'm not sure. And ChipChip comes too. Here we have JJ on the left and Chip to the right. You can just see how big he's growing now, bigger than ChipChip. Tiny comes back again. And so does ChipChip. Howie turns up. It's nice to see him, as I don't think he's been for a couple of nights. And it does look like he is putting weight on that leg when standing still. I know he still limps when he runs. Daphne comes back again and Howie is under the car. You can see his eyes moving and then he comes out. He's definitely putting weight on that paw, which is brilliant to see. Daphne then comes back again. And Tiny also comes back. This, I believe, is the boy twin. And ChipChip is also back. Now I think this is Pip. It's hard to tell from this angle, but it's definitely a boy. JJ is back in near daylight. And finally Jimmy is back in daylight to see if there is anything left, but it's all gone. So for my late breakfast I'm having black cherry jam on toast and a nice cup of tea. This one isn't Hartley's, it's a black cherry conserve, and it does have some mega pieces of cherry in it, which I'm looking forward to trying. That's lovely. So dinner today is roast turkey, that's actually hid under here, Yorkshire puddings, roast potatoes, and I have got green cabbage, and it's a chicken gravy, as the turkey was in the freezer already cooked, so I've heated it through in a chicken gravy. Now I'm going to sit and enjoy it with a can of Coke. Come on then, my babe, here we go. Here we go. Good girl. Wondered where you'd been. It's lovely to see you. Kenny, it would seem, has had a hard day. You've got to love it when they lay like that. It would seem Norman has also had a very hard day. Bless his little heart. Just thought I'd show you the sun as it's going down. The sky looks pretty grey, but the sun, from my point of view, is very, very orange, but I don't think that shows up clearly on this video. So JJ is first to arrive. Come on then, mate. Come on, your plate's here. Good boy. Good boy. Such a cute little face. You've got lovely eyes. You've got a lovely coat, and your tail's filling out. And it's got a lovely pattern to it, hasn't it? It's very light compared to the rest of you. Oh, there's one piece of chicken under that piece of raw chicken, but never mind. You can smell it though. No? Okay, there we go. That's JJ. So JJ has just been, as you've seen, but I was just stood here thinking we haven't seen Peggy or Monty for a few nights. I've not seen them on the overnight either, so I just hope they are okay and we see them again very, very soon. Wow, Pip's arrived. That was quite a shock. He just come running up and he's run off again. And he's come running back again. How lovely to see you. Oh, I'm actually in shock. You're early. Are you hungry? Looks like, doesn't it? You've even beat Jimmy. And I think there's a housewarming going on over the road, and I don't know if it's a fire or if there's just little fireworks going off, but they're very wary of it at the moment. It's okay, mate. You just hear a crackling noise constantly. Come on, mate, it's okay. Good boy. Here, do you want this? Yeah. Pip. Come on, my lovely. You just want the one? Oh, love his little heart. So Jimmy has arrived. He was out in the road. He did just run off, but I don't know if it's that crackling noise from the fire that they're having over the road. You can just hear that crackling noise constantly in the background, so I think they must be having a bonfire. But I can't smell smoke or anything. Who knows? Anyway, Jim, Pip has beaten you tonight. He came before you. JJ's been as well. Oh, hello, ChipChip's here as well, I think. Chip, come on then, baby girl. Come on then. Come on, my babe. Come on then. Right, Jimmy has gone over there by Dave. Well done, my babe. Just see if Jimmy's still out there. No, can't see Jimmy. So I believe he's possibly run off. Is the car going to get it? Yes, it is. Thanks, Jim. Good boy. You okay? You don't want that chicken then. We've got Jimmy and JJ out there. Jimmy still hasn't been and eaten from his plate. Come on. That was a big old yawn. No, crackling noise is still there. Come on. JJ's just snuck in there. Come on, Jim. Good boy. Wondered when you'd come back. You can see how big JJ's got. So the twins are bigger than JJ and Tiny is that little bit smaller. But apart from, I suppose, their frame, they're pretty much the same height as these other foxes now. So literally fully grown. I love JJ's tail. It's got like stripes in it, like a ginger cat would have. It's very light, but there's definitely stripes there. Well done, Jim. Good boy. It's okay. Yeah. Sorry, JJ. Sorry, mate. Do you want some chicken? No. No, neither of them are having chicken. So Jimmy's going off. It's okay. Good boy. JJ is going to take a piece. Well done, mate. Right, I'm going to call it a night now. We'll capture what we can from the bottom camera and I will see you all tomorrow. So thank you again for following me and you all take care. Good night.